Hey everyone, this is Sugarcoder. In this video, I'm going to show you how to decorate beautiful marshmallow flower cupcakes. So first, I cut mini marshmallows in half, and then I put it into a plastic bag alongside with pink sanding sugar, and then I shook it really well until the sanding sugar stuck to the mini marshmallows. So on top of a cupcake, I covered the top with green buttercream frosting. Then I decorated the top with the mini marshmallows like this. I basically just stuck it right next to each other until the whole cupcake is covered and the top looks like a flower. So these cupcakes are actually inspired by Lunar New Year. Lunar New Year is coming up, so I thought that these marshmallow flower cupcakes are great for that occasion. So have you made these marshmallow flower cupcakes before? Let me know in the comments. And if you want to see more videos like this, let me know as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a sweet day.